week, Flyers.
I'm Mary Houston Mull.
And I'm Ella Turner.
And welcome to the Rundown for the week of October 27th, 2023.
Halloween is just around the corner, so Michael Corella gets us in the Halloween spirit.
It is getting scarily close to Halloween, and it is my pleasure to tell you how spooky the Flyers are going to get this Halloween.
I'm really excited for Halloween. I plan on being Spider-Man and I hope to get lots of candy.
I'm going to be Scream for Halloween. Probably not going to trick-or-treat, but it'll be fun.
I'm Rick from Rick and Morty.
And I'm Batman, and we're going trick-or-treating in St. Charles.
Together.
I'm going to be a cop. I'm a black cat, and all my friends are going to come over, and we're just going to hang out.
Not only the students are dressing up, but also some of the faculty are as well.
Normally I just wear my little otter mask and I give out candy, and this year I'll be giving out Chupa Chups.
Okay, so for Halloween this year, I had to look it up, and Halloween is on a Tuesday. So that means I'm not doing anything fun because it's on a Tuesday, because that means I've got to come to work on a Wednesday. And so I would think the only thing I might do, no, I'm not going to do anything. Because, see, my kids are old enough now, they don't want to hang out with me on Halloween, and we have a golf cart. So they take the golf cart, and they're gone. I'm not invited to go. I don't get invited to any parties because my friends are lame. And so, yeah, I'm probably going to turn all the lights off at my house and close the doors and go hide in my bedroom with my dog.
We can't wait to see all of y'all's costumes. We hope you have a great Halloween. I'm Michael Corella.
We can't wait to see all of our Flyers' amazing Halloween looks.
Speaking of looks, Loyola has been looking good this week.
Oh yeah, it's open house week.
Angel Fam gives us an insight.
This week is our fall open house. We saw many new faces and families that will hopefully join us in the next school year.
Open house week has been going amazing. Our teachers and students have done a great job of showcasing what makes Loyola so special and different. I've got a great tour right now. 5 students from First Baptist, and I look forward to the rest of the week.
It was really fun, and I'm excited to play football next year. Mr. Klein showed me around.
The teachers seem very nice, and I'm excited to be their student next year.
Can't wait to see our future Flyers. This has been Angel Fam.
We loved getting to see all the new future Flyers around campus this week.
Whoa, that was weird.
Yeah. Anyway, Ella, you know what's also new?
What, Mary?
This week's matchup for fantasy football.
John Luke fills us in on the competitive games.
The middle of football season is here, meaning we are getting deeper and deeper into fantasy football. Let's see what the students and teachers have to say about it.
So we're in a fantasy football league this year, and right now I'm sitting at 3-3, which is 500. But I have a bright future ahead as my team is recovering from injury, and they're back at it. And I did deliver a beat down to him in week 2, so very excited about that.
Yeah, my team is 2-4, but I'm coming off a bye week. I coached my players up. We're ready to take on Murphy Tamplin. I think he's pretty high up there, and made a good trade past few weeks. Acquired Travis Etienne and Keenan Allen, and we're going to take over the world.
I'm currently 5-2 in our league. This guy's 1-5. He's trash.
I'm maybe 1-5, but I'm coming up.
I just beat him this week because Brock Purdy decided to throw 2 interceptions. So
beat me by 4 points.
So I'm in 3 fantasy leagues. I've been playing fantasy football for a while. I won one of my leagues last year. That's a pretty good year for me so far. I think I'm 5-2 in 2 of my leagues and 4-3. So the main thing with fantasy is I wanted to go with like a receiver-heavy team. So my goal is to get at least 3 receivers that will be projected over 1,000 yards. My running backs aren't as strong, but I always try to get a quarterback and a receiver on the same team. So my goal this year was to get Justin Herbert and Keenan Allen.
We wish a good luck to everyone who has fantasy. This has been John LeClove.
Good luck to all the boys on their fantasy leagues and the rest of the season.
Now it's time to talk about some Flyer football.
Take it away, Bella.
The end of the regular seasons are coming fast, and volleyball's regular season ended this week. Football has 2 more games left, but our players and coaches tell us about how they feel about their seasons ending.
So this past volleyball season's been really fun. It's been a growing experience and a growing year for myself and the team included. We just finished our regular season game on Tuesday, so we're waiting to see where we're seated in playoffs to know if we have a home playoff game or not.
Against Lakeside, Mason Drake had 2 touchdowns, including a 73-yard punt return. Also scoring for the Flyers were Bryce Carpenter, Jude Gayton, Patrick Gosley, Rowan Goodaconda, and Reagan Coyle. Evan Lorette had a career-long 37-yard field goal and made all 7 of his extra points.
Last week, we picked up a big district win against Lakeside. It was a really good experience for a lot of our younger players, a lot of sophomores and freshmen. They were able to get out there and show us what they could do.
It was a really good game there.
Overall, it was really good. I went 7 for 7 with a career-long 37-yard field goal, so it was a really good night.
We got a very huge game against North Caddo Friday, so we're seeded 16th right now, so we got to get that dub just to keep that home playoff position. So it's extremely excited to be in the mix, just to put ourselves in a good position to make a run in the playoffs.
The football team will be playing at North Caddo tomorrow night in a district game. The Flyers are coming off a 52-0 win from last week at Mesmer Stadium. The Flyers are now 3-4 overall and tied for second in the district with a 2-1 record. Can't wait to see how our teams do in the playoffs. I'm Bella Cassio, and this was the Sports Report.
Good luck to all of our sports in season.
Okay, it's kind of getting weird up here.
I feel like there's someone else in here with us.
We should probably leave.
Or not.
Whoa, that was weird.
Yeah, that was really weird. Anyway, Ella.
Whoa.
I knew something.
Whoa, it's kind of...
My fault.